Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In previous video, you have learned about the real aim of Miss Beam's school, and also you knew that the narrator became so sad to see disabled students in the school. Now in today's video, you will know that were those students really disabled or something else. So look at paragraph number 8. Miss Beam laughed. Oh no, she said, she is not really lame. This is only her lame day. The others are not blind either. It is only their blind day. I must have looked very surprised, for she laughed again. So when Miss Beam saw the narrator very sad to see disabled students, she laughed and explained that the girl with crutch was not really lame, rather it was her lame day. She was playing the role of lame today. And you know, other students whom you found blind, they were not really blind. They are also playing the role of blind day like that girl with the crutch, as it is their blind day. Then Miss Beam again laughed, looking at the narrator so surprised, hearing that those students were not really disabled, only they are acting like lame and blind. Now come to the next paragraph. This is a very important part of our system to make our children appreciate and understand misfortune, to make them share in misfortune too. Each term, every child has one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one injured day, and one dumb day. During the blind day, their eyes are bandaged absolutely, and they are on their honor not to peep. The bandage is put on overnight, so they wake blind. This means that they need help with everything. Other children are given the duty of helping them and leading them about. They all learn so much this way, both the blind and the helpers. So then Miss Beam detailed that why they were playing such kind of role. She said, playing such kind of role is very important part of our system, and we have made such kind of activities an essential part of their system because these kind of games and activities are so helpful to make the children appreciate and accept and understand misfortune. They can easily realize the difficulties of disabled people so that they will help such kind of people. By this way, these students will be a good and responsible citizen also. And you know, every child has to play one blind day, one lame day, one deaf day, one dumb day, one injured day. And on blind day, their eyes are blindfolded, and they promise that they will not cheat and peep at all. Their eyes are bandaged the whole night so that they wake up as a blind. And during their blind day, other children have the duty to help and guide those children. By this way, both the blind and the helper learn a lot. The blind learns about the difficulties and the problems of a blind, and the helpers learn how to help those blinds. Now come to the paragraph number 10. There is no misery about it, Miss Beam continued. Everyone is very kind, and it is really something of a game before the day is over, though even the most thoughtless child realizes what misfortune is. So Miss Beam further said that to conduct and participate in such kind of games are not difficult. Because of this game, students become kind to everyone, and even a careless child learn to be responsible and caring and understand the misfortune and disabilities at the end of the day. Now come to the last paragraph of today's lesson. The blind day is, of course, really the worst, but some of the children tell me that the dumb day is the most difficult. We cannot bandage the children's mouths, so they really have to exercise their willpower. Come into the garden and see for yourself how the children feel about it. So what happened? Miss Beam said that there is no doubt that blind day is the most difficult day, but according to some children, the dumb day is the worst and difficult day because mouth cannot be bandaged. Children had to use their willpower and control themselves not to speak. And being able to speak, it's very difficult to keep quiet and be silent. Then Miss Beam took the narrator to the garden to let him to watch the children and their feeling himself. It means she wanted the narrator himself see and experience how the children are feeling about these games. So this is your today's lesson. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.